Monkeypox is now confirmed in the US and Europe.
It's unusual for the world to see this many cases reported in different countries outside of Africa.
We have a gentleman aged in his 30s who's been positively confirmed.
It is the first time it's come to Australia. Monkey virus was first found in monkeys in 1958 and first found in humans in 1970.
Monkeypox is this rare virus, mostly endemic to West and Central Africa, that has now reached countries that it's not usually in, mostly in Europe, in countries including England, France, and Belgium. And there's more cases than has ever been before. The World Health Organization gathered for an emergency meeting on May 20th to discuss the global spread of monkeypox after it had infected people in more than 11 countries. Experts still say that most Americans don't need to worry about monkeypox. It spreads through close contact, through contact with an infected person or infected animal or an object an infected person has touched.
It usually starts with fever and headache. People feel pretty miserable and tired. They can get swollen glands. And then this typical rash develops, which is sort of pustular in form. And that's usually what's infectious. And this is infectious until the scabs actually fall off. Most people will recover and recover fully within a few weeks, but people can have serious disease and may need to be hospitalized with it. The strain that's being seen in the current outbreak in Europe is the West African strain, which has a mortality rate of about 1 in 100. There's no need to panic here. This is not going to spread and get into the general population and cause an epidemic like coronavirus has.
Unlike COVID that has infected millions, monkeypox is something that experts say the average American doesn't need to worry about getting. They say that there are protections in place, like contact tracing made possible by the fact that this is a very visible, obvious illness. And they say that if someone does become infected or there is a concern for people needing to get vaccinated, that exists with the form of the smallpox vaccine.